The ordinary GF 15% solution is a powerhouse anti-aging serum that uses growth factor technology to help regenerate your skin, reducing visible wrinkles, improving firmness, and restoring radiance over time. In this video, we'll break down how it works, how to use it in your skincare routine, and what not to mix it with so you get the best results from your routine. Did you know your skin naturally produces growth factors like EGF, IGF, and TGF? These are signaling proteins that tell your skin when to repair itself, produce collagen, regenerate texture, and maintain firmness. But here's the thing, as we age, our natural levels of growth factors start to decline. That's one reason we start seeing visible signs of aging like fine lines, sagging, dullness, or slower healing. The GF 15% solution from The Ordinary is designed to mimic this natural repair process using a 15% complex of plant-based biomimetic peptides that behave like your skin's own growth factors. Let's break them down. First, we have IGF complex, insulin-like growth factor inspired. This complex supports skin density and helps minimize the appearance of deeper wrinkles like smile lines, crow's feet, and forehead creases. It's ideal for targeting volume loss and restoring bounce. Next is EGF complex, epidermal growth factor inspired. EGF supports elastin production and helps regulate your skin's natural renewal cycle. This means firmer, more elastic skin and improved tone and texture over time. And finally, TGF complex, transforming growth factor inspired. TGF is all about collagen stimulation. It works to strengthen the skin's structural integrity, smooth rough texture, and reduce the look of fine lines and laxity, especially around the jawline or cheeks. Additionally, GF 15% solution also supports skin hydration and strengthens the skin barrier after one application for a more healthy looking appearance. Let's now jump into how to use the serum into your skincare routine. The GF 15% solution is lightweight, non-sticky, and designed for daily use, morning and night. Begin with cleansing your skin and pat dry. Apply a toner, which is optional. Apply 2 to 3 drops of the GF 15% solution to your face and neck. Apply your eye cream around the eye contour area. Apply your moisturizer. During your morning routine, apply sunscreen to finish. To protect the performance of the peptides and growth factors, avoid pairing the serum with direct acids like glycolic acid, lactic acid or salicylic acid, and pure vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid. Instead, alternate these ingredients. For example, use GF 15% in the evening and vitamin C in the morning, or rotate on different days if you're using actives like retinoids or exfoliants. So, have you tried the GF 15% solution from The Ordinary yet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. To take a deeper dive into the best Ordinary anti-aging products to use, check out this video here next.